What's good, people? Welcome to Flex Finance. My name is Daniel. I'm here to help you guys save money and make money. Today we are discussing a company called Funware and why I am buying into this stock. So Funware have a mobile cloud platform that allows brands to manage, engage, and monetize. They have big companies or big clients such as Lowe's, NBC Sports, Kaiser Permanente. That's just a few names, there's a bunch of them. So initially I bought this stock due to the coronavirus. Funware provide contact tracing on phones, and Cisco actually added Funware's mobile solutions, the COVID mobile solutions, to their marketplace, which is a big deal since we all know Cisco is a huge company. So I've been holding on to this stock because of that. So the reason I'm making a video on this now is because before this was a good stock, but I want to make you guys as much money as possible. And now they've actually added a new product, or there's a new sector out for them to be able to tap into, and that's the online education, I guess, or just education, since people are not going to be on campus, or if they are, COVID is going to be a big deal. So I'm going to explain that in a bit. In terms of companies similar to this, I would say for the online education, we Boxlight, and then HMHC. I'm not gonna say the full name because it's a mouthful. So in terms of tapping into the education segment, they have smart campus solutions, which allows administrators to use their program, which allows them to provide faculty with information regarding safety protocols, emergency alerts, possible exposure, and testing info. So really, they're giving schools all-in-one system to control the coronavirus in their schools. Since it is an all-in-one product, I don't think schools it won't be a hard sell for them to buy into this product. So that's why I think this is a valuable product that they do have. So if you're thinking, people aren't going back to school right now or in the fall, and everything's going to be online, so there's no reason to have this type of system in place. That's actually not true. I myself am a college student, and I will be having at least one class fully on campus in person, and 4 or 5 of my classes are going to be half in person and half online, because I'm a science major. So a lot of people like me are going to be going online, going to be on campus, and a lot of people are still living in dorms. So this is going to be a very big program for schools. People are still going to be at schools, and they want to limit this. And on top of that, the coronavirus is probably not going to go away anytime soon. Maybe in the spring semester or in the winter, if people are going back to schools in person, the coronavirus might still not be fully eradicated, most likely. So they're going to have to eventually purchase this type of system. So my average cost in Funware is $1.37. I have 55 shares. I actually bought more today, and I will keep buying into this once I free up some money. But as you can see, I'm $5 up essentially, and it's at 146 right now. So I'm not too far from what it is right now. So that's why I do think this is still a good entry for a lot of people. I think this is most likely a long-term hold. And my target price for Funware is $3. So I still think there's a good amount of profit to be made from this company, and we've seen Boxlight explode and companies like that explode right now. So I think this company is next. So this is definitely the cheapest online education stock that you can still buy right now at this moment. And on top of that, it still has the coronavirus tracing in general, just not for schools. So that's still a big part of their business that I think I have yet to see reflected in their share price. So just additional information into Funware. They also have a product called Funcoin, which is blockchain data exchange. So essentially Bitcoin. I'm not sure how relevant this is to my reason for buying the stock or your reason for buying the stock. It's just an additional product that they do have. I know some people love blockchain stocks. That's the only reason I'm adding into this video, but just so you know, that is a product that they also have. So that's it for Funware. I think the biggest reason I am now giving you guys this stock or presenting this stock to you guys It's really because I've seen, since I've held this stock, they have adapted to the market. First with the coronavirus testing, now they're into the schools, and I think they're really adaptable right now. So I think this is it's gonna jump at least to my $3 target price, I hope, or around there, which I don't think it's a huge ask if we look at Voxel and Boxlight and stocks like that. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you soon.